Hi everyone, this is Vishal from Khan Academy. In today's educational video, I'll be discussing about the current state of Nifty, and the main topic will be that is Nifty ready for a pullback, as Nifty has already corrected by 11% from the highs of 12,103 to the lows of 10,782. So currently we are looking at the weekly time frame of Nifty Spot, and the first insight which we can see in this particular time frame is that the recent bottom which we made at 10,782 is a very strong support level. And the reason for this is we have hit the 61.80% Fibonacci retracement of this entire rally from 10,000 to the highs of 12,103. Now, apart from this Fibonacci retracement, we also have a small candlestick cluster which adds to the strength of that particular support. Now, we need to go to the lower time frame in the daily chart to find even more insights. If you look at the RSI oscillator in the daily chart, we can see that RSI is extremely oversold as it is just below the 30 level. Now, if you look at the candles made on the 1st August, the candle made on the 1st August is a hammer. The 2nd August candle is a high wave candle. Now, high wave candles are clearly showing that the markets are overstretched on the downside and we are near a support level. And the candle made day before yesterday was also a hammer. And the yesterday's candle was a big, huge green bullish bell-toed candle. Unfortunately, in the last few minutes, we saw a small sell-off by Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank, due to which we could not close near the highs. It had to come down, but nevertheless, it still looks a decent candle. It's not exactly a textbook bullish bell-told, but it still looks pretty decent. All right. Now, according to my analysis, it is clear that market is trying to pull back, and I would not be surprised if Nifty goes and hits 11,100. But is this pullback pretty much enough as comparing to the entire sell-off which has happened in the last few days? The answer is no. Well, if we hit 11,100, I will not be surprised. But if someone is expecting a very large pullback in the Nifty spot, it will be extremely difficult to achieve that until and unless Nifty spot is not able to close above 11,140 and sustain above it for at least couple of days. If we manage to do that, then there is a chance that Nifty might go and hit 11,230 and even 11,375. Now, there is one silver lining over here, that the current volatility in the entire market has shot up due to this entire correction. The normal move in Nifty is found around 150 points in Nifty, and Bank Nifty is moving around 400 points on a daily basis. So a trader has to be extremely careful when he's placing his positions, whether in stocks or even in indexes. And you have to be very much careful in your position sizing. All right. So that's all from my side today. And in my next video, I'll try to share even more interesting. Till then, trade well.